Hi everybody, back out at the Campbell River field again today. Gonna have a little bit of 4S fun here with my NAMC Mig-35B. So let's send it, baby. So the last flight session out, I actually cooked a motor in this very plane, and luckily I had lots of altitude. And the RC gods were looking down on me, so I was able to safely land the plane with no power. Of course, or no motor power. I mean, I still had my servos for control. So anyway, I figured today I better get back in the old 4S saddle here. So we're running a different prop. I'll just line her up here. The one there where I cooked the motor, I was showing off a bit here, and I ran it with far too much prop, with far too much amp draw. So anyway, lesson learned, and like I said, the RC gods were with me, and I managed to save the plane. So anyway, if you want more info on that, recently I shot a video called E3 Scott's ParkJet ATIS Information Alpha, which is a series that I will, I will keep going, just kind of update you on things, projects that I've been working on. Oh yeah, baby. And projects I'm looking towards doing in the future. So one of those things is to build for kind of an intermediate ParkJet build video series. I've decided I'm going to build a full-size Mig-35B, just like this one. I recently shot another video called My Favorite ParkJet Things, and this is definitely my favorite ParkJet. Okay, there was our alarm. Plus there's like I can hear a truck coming from behind me here. I don't want to scare him or scare myself. So anyway, nice, didn't cook the motor that time. Using the GemFan 51499 prop, when I cooked the motor, I was running the HQ 5.1 by 5.1 by 3, which I had a bit of a senior moment. I never should have been running that prop, but anyway, like I said, lessons learned. So as I was saying, I am going to build a full-size Mig-35B. Just to sort of share, I won't be building it out of Dollar Tree foam. I'll do that probably at a later time. I think that's actually more kind of advanced building. This I'm looking at, trying to share my techniques for score and fold building. So it'll be built primarily with model plane foam, as well as some scrap Depron here and there, because it will be a plane that I'll keep in my hangar for a long time. So anyway, what I'm going to do is as part of that, I'm going to give away a free set of plans and instructions for this NAMC Mig-35B. So I will probably try and put a bit more of a hint in the video description down below. But I have somewhere between 15 and 1600 flights total on the Mig-35B, not this airframe, but in total. So if you can guess within 10 flights how many flights that I have, I will be more than happy to send you a free set of plans. And then if you do want to follow along in a few months when I get the build series done and build yourself one of these, like I said, I'd be more than happy. So yeah, check out the video description down below. Like I said, I'm between 15 and 1600 flights on this. If you guess within 10, the first person to guess within 10 flights of where I'm at, I'll send you a set of plans. So you will need to provide me with an email address so I can send them to you, but you know, your email address will be kept in complete confidence. So there we go. So please, like I said, check out the comments below for that video, my ATIS Information Alpha video, as well as my favorite ParkJet things video, where I talk a little bit more about the MiG-35B. So actually, I should check this motor real quick. It's had a little bit of time to cool off, but oh yeah, that's much happier. In that video, you'll see, and actually I took a picture on the thread I maintain on the RC Powers forum. You can see how blackened the stator is on the motor that I cooked. So yeah, like I said, I got seriously lucky on that particular episode. So thanks as always for watching, folks. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. ParkJet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.